Correct. And first of all, like you going straight, sometimes you will need to change lane to the left immediately, sometimes not. So we will start from that. So change lane to the left. Yeah. You can do that. Yes. Okay. And go to the left here. Exactly here.
There?
Yes. Go to the left.
I already failed.
No. Why? Okay. Now stop. You see here, you should wait here for the arrow. Green arrow that will show you left. Only in this way you can go left. Okay? Because now you see the green light. You can move a little bit forward, but I'm not sure here if you're allowed to go on the green light forward. You should wait for the green arrow. This is left, yeah. This is green arrow. Go left. Go. This is left. Middle of the street, middle of the street, middle of the street, and you can go. Watch pedestrian, no kill her. Okay, she's standing, you can go. Okay, going straight. Good turn. Then light change, you go, wheel straight, and you should be on the middle of the street. Middle of the street, don't move wheel, it's violation, and simply wait until they pass. And the edge of the eye should be on the light. Don't forget about light. Light change, car stopping or no car, you can go. You see what we're doing? Something. But you waiting, now car stopping, you can go. Very good. This is a little bit tight, but try to do it on real life, parallel parking behind this car. No going so close. Yeah, also check, you see how you're very close. But also check car around you, check your mirrors, check all, yeah. Check if car going behind you or not. No. Okay, very good. So one turn right, reverse. Did you check the mirror?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
I see the car passing.
Oh.
Yeah, left mirror over shoulder. Now you're doing